Providing safe, high-quality, affordable water service, it comes with a price. And a community is grounded in safe, high-quality water.
We have a lot of folks within our urban core cities that are living at or below the poverty level.
It is important to think about water affordability in the context of a lot of other issues in our community because they're all related. One map that always hits me is in the Health Equity Report for Louisville, is if you look at the geographic region and the areas impacted by shutoffs and disconnections, by poverty, by housing affordability issues, we see that people who live in West Louisville live 13 to 15 years less than people who live in an economically more advantaged area such as East Louisville.
And as, cities like Louisville look to grow and to get bigger, we have to keep in mind that we've got to make sure that those who are most impacted by economic issues are not left behind or not left out.
Access to housing, access to affordable housing, energy affordability, and water. All of those are inextricably connected, and we need to find ways to say yes in our community to confront these challenges, to find ways to create programs that impact people in a positive way and help support their needs.
We need partners working with community members because that is honestly where the magic happens.
We're more than just a utility. We're a partner, and we believe in equity as it relates to access to clean water, but also making it affordable for folks as well. What gives me hope is that there is a raised awareness about affordability. There's really been a really stronger focus over the last, say, 5 or 6 years. One, because of our partnership with the U.S. Water Alliance, and Louisville has been one of the first cities to develop a water equity roadmap.
And just saying the word affordability is a turnoff for a lot of people. So we changed the conversation. Instead of saying, can we offer you payment assistance, let's offer you a drop of kindness. So now our affordability program, along with Louisville MSD, is called Drops of Kindness. And it includes lots of options that can help you pay an unpaid bill. Because in a stressful time, whether that's you lost your job, a family emergency, maybe you're just short on money this month, a bill should not leave you in a stressful situation.
And that involves looking at, how folks qualify and what the criteria are for different programs. That looks at billing practices and policies, and it also looks at larger overarching administrative kind of goals and focuses for both organizations.
Beyond just the rates, is the community benefiting from the assets that we're building? Here in Louisville, the thing that we've also tried to do is to make sure that we are incorporating our community into the development and design of all of our major projects. We are also making sure from a policy perspective that as we make these infrastructure investments, that we are making our contractors develop a plan to utilize local labor. We need to put people to work.
We need folks who are invested in ensuring that the people who are currently here, who have lived here, who have suffered here, who have grown here, have the opportunity to benefit.
You have to have a relationship. And the only way you have a relationship and you build trust with people is you communicate.
We need to know that there are utility executives who are discussing affordability in a very proactive way with community organizations and with the community to think 5, 10 years, 20 years out. So it's a long-term proactive conversation, and that's critical to creating the programs, creating the funding structures, creating the awareness for the community, and shows that people care. That's a big part of the situation, and people want to be heard. And if we can create those conditions, this long-term conversation, this long-term movement forward, this progress we've made in the last 4 years, it can only grow.